Hey guys, Craig here, Fergie, JKU. Today I'm doing a little project. I wasn't going to make a video of it, but I was getting some questions as I was doing it, so I figured why not just make a video. I'm gonna install a Jeep hoist for my hardtop. You can see right there, my hardtop is on the ground. My son's back for the summer, so it's pretty easy to get him to help me. He's not always gonna be around, so I just figure I'll make a hoist. And what I'm doing is I got a 2x4, split it up into two. I already did one support, you can see right there. So I found 4 studs going across, and then there is a bracket. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a pole through it, and then, well, I have to do another 2x4, so I'll show you what I do there. And then I have a pole that I'm gonna go through, and that way I can have the hoist up and then kind of move it a little bit if I have to. The hoist that I am using is this Smittybilt. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna install the brackets first and drill some pilot holes, find the studs. Luckily, it's kind of already mapped out for me. And then I'm gonna measure straight line. I'm gonna do some anchors. So I wanted to go through enough just so I could, when I put it up on my line, I know I'm exactly on a stud. Get out my stud finder. I'm gonna do 2. So I'm gonna go right here. I'm using a Franklin sensors. Put on the thing, hold it down, and then you start going over. It's up, you can move side to side. So what I'm gonna do now, because I'm a freak, the winch can hold 220 pounds. Hardtop is about 140, but I don't want to test it. So I'm going to get these hooks. I'm gonna put them into the studs as well, and then I'm gonna kind of double it. So. Alright guys, I got it all connected. I think it looks pretty good. So there we go. We got two 2x4s. They're into the studs. So I got 4 lag nuts. And then it's got the pole. I can move it back and forth a little bit. And then I also put in 4 hooks. And I'm gonna use these ratchet straps to go around. I've got other straps. I have these thicker straps. Interesting. So I did a strap down the center and then in the corners. So coming down there, coming down there. Alright guys, got the hardtop up and you can see I'm doing a crisscross through the center. Actually no, well I am, but this is a rope. This is just extra support, but I have one going down the center and then going in each corner, and then I have these just as backup. You can see those are on hooks there, so I have the hoist as well as those hooks. So yeah, I'm happy with the way it came out. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's see if I could do this by myself after summer's over.